So if I'm going to look at color, I would either use, well, one of my favorite color tool is selective color. You understand? And with the selective color, you have a range of colors. You have red, yellow, green, cyan, blue, magenta, white, neutrals, and blacks. And the if you have any of these colors in your image, then it's going to identify it. So I don't think there's any green in my image. So watch what is happening. Every time I increase it, I'm not seeing any notable changes because it cannot identify any green in my image. You understand? So that's why these things are not changing. But I want to ask, what are the colors that you can see in this image from this color chart? What are the colors in this image?
Yellow, red.
I can see yellow, red,
Good. Yellow and red. So
black.
Yellow, red, and magenta.
Black.
if you go to your
Red.
red, you have cyan, you have magenta, you have yellow,
Red and yellow.
you have black. You understand? So again,
Yeah, yeah.
on the red is another way to kind of just bring out the contrast. So I don't know if it was Mr. Tom who had asked initially that he wanted to bring out the tones on the fabric without necessarily affecting the skin. So I can show you how to do that now. So watch what happens when I increase the blacks. Can you see that the orange has become a lot richer? Can you see that?
Yes, sir, we can.
Good. So I can increase it again. Can you see that?
Yes.
Yes, okay. I can see.
You can see that her skin tone has changed. And we don't necessarily want this skin tone, but we really like the orange. We really like the background. We feel like everything is set, you understand, but the skin tone. So what you can do is something I also, funny enough, I actually learned this thing from Ijoma. You just press Command I and it inverses that. Or no, let me not press Command I. Let me go back there. You just go here to your brush tool, click on your actual brush. You have black and you have white. Stay on the black side and then reduce your brush to size and brush out the effect of the edit that you've done on the skin. So you see that we still have the tones from the fabric and the background and on this guy, but we have been able to restore what they call it. We've been able to restore the skin. Can you guys see that?
Yes.
You guys can see that?
Yes, we can see it.
So another thing that I would normally do if I need to enhance color in Photoshop. I already love the skin tone and it's fine. Now, if you wanted to make her look more melanin, so to say, maybe if you were trying to go for more dark fine art, then I would suggest that you either create another layer or you come here and you do black and white. Now, when you do black and white, these are colors that it sees in the previous image. So if I increase my reds, everywhere that is red would go up. So you can see that there was red here, there was red here, there was red here. That is why everything is now looking white. Subsequently, when you reduce your red, everything starts to look like this. So this in itself is a good image, in my opinion, because I really like how dark the skin is. So if you wanted to go for a black and white feel, this is one way to go. But this is not why I brought you here. I brought you here to show you something that we can do to the skin tone. So you can come here under normal and click on multiply. When you click on multiply, what you have noticed is that the skin is a lot more brown and bronzy. Can you guys see the effect on the skin?
Yes, we can see it.
And you can start to change that by just doing this, you understand, restoring some of it, you understand, until you feel that you like the skin. So in my opinion, I think I like this skin, but I want to be able to restore every other thing. So this is where you can now apply Command I. So you apply Command I, you've restored everything. And then here you change it from the black side to the white side. Don't ask me why, I don't know. These are just things that I apply to my image. You're still on brush. Now it's on white side, and you start to paint in that skin tone that you did before. You understand? And then you see how she looks very melanin. I'm not telling you that this is how I'm going to use this imager. I'm just showing you the endless possibilities that you can have when creating fine art portraits. If you thought it was too dark, you could still come and reduce the opacity from 100 to 50. Just keep dropping it on you think until you think it's okay. So I can unclick and click, unclick and click. I don't know. Oflex, maybe you want to help me, but I'm tilting more towards this side. But do you guys feel like you like this a lot better?
Yeah, I think the other one is too melanin. Is a personal preference. I think I like it slightly. I like the other color, the color we started with, but just a little is fine.
Okay. So if we did a little, maybe I could just restore. You're thinking maybe something along these lines, yeah?
Yeah.
And not necessarily like this. So something along these lines, this is perfect for you.
Yeah.
Okay. So who else shares this opinion?
I share the contrary. I like the melanin.
So you prefer this?
Yeah.
Okay.
I prefer the melanin. I prefer the melanin.
I think I prefer the melanin.
Yeah, I prefer this melanin.
That we're looking at now, yeah?
The melanin, that's everything, body background.
I think this looks more natural. This looks more realistic. I think I prefer this.
Okay, thank you very much.